Alright, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're doing some more bachata. We're going to combine all of the beginner patterns. So if you've learned how to do all those beginner steps, we're going to put them in a little combo practice routine for you. So let's go ahead and get started.
So we're literally just going to put them in order of the syllabus and the way you've learned them. So it's no surprise, but they go good together like this. So we can do a side basic first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the forward and back basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the stationary basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the underarm turn right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can do them in any order, of course. We just put them in this order so you feel comfortable, and you can have a little routine if you want to remember it instead of to kind of just lead and follow randomly.
Yeah, and now you don't get stuck in the basics. Sometimes that happens in the beginning, so just remembering, okay, this is what's next, and then eventually you'll start to remember the patterns and then be able to do it in any order. So we'll do that now to music. Alright guys, that is one option for putting all of those beginner patterns together, so go try it out and see if it helps. And if for some reason you found us on this video without learning all those beginner steps, be sure to check that out in our bachata playlist below, learning each step by step with us for free on our YouTube channel, so check that out. And if you are, a little more experienced or you've learned these steps already and you're interested in learning some more advanced, cooler patterns, we have a bunch more for you up on our Ballroom Feed Pro section on our website, which I'll leave down below. So be sure to check that out and be sure to like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you want to see next. And we'll see you in the next video, right?
If you have any other questions on how we put this stuff together, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to be a part of your dancing journey.
Yes. All right. See you next time.